Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lepinkin, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that altcoin season can come up next after this Bitcoin pump, what we have just seen. Let's talk about this. Then the second thing I would like to talk about is that Franklin Templeton joins the Ethereum ETF race, another big player in the game. And then we have CZ sentencing has been postponed until the end of April. So guys, all this in today's video. And then don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related content here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very important, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. So now let's do it. Well, yesterday we have seen Bitcoin at 50,000, above 50,000 US dollar. Why I was making the English video, so this one basically on this channel, yesterday's one, we were almost there. But when I started to record the Hungarian video for the Hungarian channel, Blockchain Bloom Hungary, we actually hit the 50,000. Why I was recording it. So actually it was exciting times, to be honest with you. And yeah, now when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is 4% up in the last 24 hours, but almost 17% in 7 days. And right now, 49,909 US dollars. So holding itself pretty well since Ethereum up almost like Bitcoin, 15%. Look, 2,677 US dollars. So that happened in 7 days. But in the last 24 hours, about 8%. So actually better than Bitcoin right now. And that means that altcoins could be great. And also very important that another player, Franklin Templeton, joins the spot Ethereum ETF race. So all this good for Ethereum. When we're looking at the top winners, Ordi 14% up, Render 14%, Beam 13%, as you can see, lots of alts going up here in the top 100. Among the losers, like none, because this is like nothing. So now the market is really bullish. Here you can see the Bitcoin candlestick chart. Look, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in the row green candles. So now if we have just come back a little bit and then we start to move sideways, that would be beautiful. And this is what I would like to right now talk about, about altcoins. So as I showed you, just let's go back here to the Bitcoin chart. So when we just moving even sideways, so we can go further up or moving sideways, that would be great for altcoins. Then it's just a matter of time when altcoins really started to pump. In case when Bitcoin is, crashing, that kind of thing is happening, that's different. Then altcoin won't skyrocket at that time. But let's look at the scenario that we now just moving sideways here or just another leg up. So we're going to see how this gonna happen, because first of all, don't forget that we are not too far from halving. So we are about 63 days, about 2 months away from halving. When we're looking at right now, are we in altcoin season or Bitcoin season? So we kind of between. Look, we are at 50 and under 25 is Bitcoin season, above 75 is altcoin season. And this is a lagging indicator. So that means when we are already there, then it shows it. So it's not predicts what's gonna happen. However, usually then after we go down, we have here also a dip, call it like this. We're going towards Bitcoin season. The next one is then altcoin season. So now we came all the halfway kinda, and now if Bitcoin getting a couple of strong days, then it can be good for Bitcoin. But after, usually if Bitcoin just going sideways, going up, this is great for altcoins. And those who actually have done their shopping in the last couple of weeks, when many trendy altcoins had a very nice dip, like 30-40%, 20, 30, 40, so depends. They can make very nice profit actually right now, in my opinion. if this going to happen. Look, what we can see actually that it is continuously the outflows. This is Coinbase. These outflows, if you just zoom in, you can see here recently just happened. You know, this is here 8th of February, so basically a couple of days ago. And since the outflows there, so basically that means, you know, OTC and others, you know, buying, so getting out from exchanges. And this one here is what happened to it? I was doing something, but okay, it messed up. Anyway, so this is here the crypto market cap, not including Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically the rest of altcoins. And look at where we are right now. So right now, in this bull market, you know, we started to really here go up since October last year, went all the way here. But look, we had this dip and now it's coming back. So the market cap for altcoins is getting stronger and stronger, and probably just going to happen. And when we go back here a little bit and zoom in, no, here was the last halving. I want to just zoom in a bit more for you guys. Yeah, this one here. This is where the halving happened. When you can see this here, this is red candle. So before, you know, the halving, this was February, you know, it's May. So about 2 months before the halving, we had, you know, we went up and then we came down, and then obviously then a little bit down. And then look, after the halving, going up, and look at this, how it skyrockets. So basically here, starting autumn, end of summer, autumn kind of thing, it was not just great for Bitcoin, but extremely great for altcoins. So if you, not financial advice, getting the right altcoins, and actually the majority of them, which is not very, very bad, they're going to go up, but focus on the trendy ones, makes more sense, right? And accumulating in the right time when we have these dips, you can have massive gains when Bitcoin starts to really go up, and you know, even the altcoins. And we are now 2 months away from this halving period. Yeah, so altcoin season can come up. Maybe we see it soon. Maybe we see all-time highs around halving. Who knows? You know, now we're living in really new times. This bull market, we cannot really compare it to the last one, because now institutional investors are here. Now Bitcoin spot ETF is approved and it's trading it for a while and doing it successfully. And then, and this is the next topic, Ethereum spot ETF can come up, and now a new player, Franklin Templeton, also applied for it. Right, so here we have the new guy, Franklin Templeton. I mean that, you know, some of the big guys, BlackRock, Fidelity, or Grayscale, they already have applied for the Ethereum spot ETF at the SEC. And now Franklin Templeton joins the Ethereum ETF race. And look, here we have those who have already in the game. And when you're looking at here the final deadline, ignore this one, right? Because we had these dates already, so it should be red. But anyway, bottom line is that here is the final deadline for the SEC to approve it. And we have 3 of them, 1x, ARK, and Hashdex. They have the final deadline in May. So some experts are saying that May could be really one important month for this. It may could happen in May, right? And yes, but also we have some other skeptics. They saying 50-50, right? So maybe yes, maybe no. If not happening in May, then happening later, right? So it has a great chance that the Ethereum spot ETF going to be approved this year. And you can see now all the black big guys are lined up. I wanted to say BlackRock. So they have basically deadline a bit later. So because, you know, if it's not happening here, these guys are going to reapply. So simple it is. And then they just like, I know it's going to happen later. But this could be actually great for Ethereum price. And we could see already here that, you know, since this news, Ethereum started to go up more than Bitcoin. But recently, Bitcoin was better than Ethereum. So yeah. Interesting times. And guess what? If Ethereum is going up, it's great for altcoins. It's not just because Ethereum is an altcoin, but you can trade a lot of altcoin on DEXs like Uniswap, and it's measured in Ethereum, right? So if Ethereum price going up, altcoin price also going up. Yeah, so that's what I think at least. Okay, and the last news for today is about CZ, because it looks like his sentencing has been postponed. CZ has to wait an extra 2 months for his sentencing because it has postponed until end of April. Probably you know that CZ was charged with money laundering and sanction violations by the US Department of Justice back in November. You know, Binance, that's a totally different thing, has paid already penalty, $4.3 billion, kind of significant one. But CZ is still waiting for the decision. And now this is pushed 2 months out. So until end of April, we're going to see what's going to happen with this. Right, guys, don't forget, every single day, fresh blockchain and crypto related news here on Blockchain Bloom. Short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yes, if you like this kind of content, it's really useful for you, then hit the like button. Highly appreciated. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.